Alright guys, so we're back at the apartment. I haven't been here in a couple days, but Amazon says a bunch of packages were delivered, so let's see. uh, yeah. Alright. I guess it's time for an unboxing. Those stairs killed me. How did Amazon do it? Let's do the unboxing. What's up, guys? It's an unboxing video. Amazon delivered a lot of packages. So these are all the parts for basically the 3 cars that we had inspected plus one. Most of the parts. There's actually still some coming. And then now that we've had the inspections done on the other 2 cars, on the Ford Edge and the Tribeca, we're gonna have to order some more parts today. So we have another shipment coming. But let's start the unboxing. What do we got here? A backpack. And it is it's the vent for the Mazda 3. The front passenger vent. So that's good. We can get the Mazda 3 back up and pretty. So that's good. Should we start from the top, bottom? Let's go from the bottom. Let's get all these packages done. Ooh, this is a metal one. I can feel it. Oh, what do we got here? Links. So these are the stabilizer links for the Mazda 3 as well. What do we got here? Oh, the mirror cap. But I don't know if this is the right one. I think this might be the wrong one. We'll see. It just says side mirror. It doesn't actually say the vehicle. Should we unwrap it? We should unwrap it. Let's unwrap it and see. Is it for the right car? No, no. See, it's got this on it. I think this is for the older Mazda 3, so that'll have to get returned, but the new one I already ordered. I didn't know if it was the old one or the new one in the package, but the new one's on its way, so it makes no difference. Let's put this one aside. Boom. Okay, let's go from the top. Let's see. We got a little box here, a little bit of tape, a little bit of tape, a little bit of tape. These are brake pads. These are brake pads for a, who knows? If they're just brake pads, I'm gonna assume these are for the Volkswagen. These are for the 2014 Jetta. There's no discerning markings on the box that says what they're for. Fun stuff. So they're either for the Jetta. What else did we order brakes for? The Mazda 3. So they're either for the Jetta or the Mazda 3, but by the look at them, I think they're the rear pads for the Jetta. Cool. Actually, I'm going to leave these in the box. Leave those in the box. Brakes. Okay, these are definitely going to be more brakes because of the shape of the box, because of the size of the box, because of the weight of the box, because of the jiggle of the box. Yeah. These are front pads. You can tell because they're a little bit bigger. And they come with the clips. So that's cool. That's cool. Again, no discerning markings as to say what car they're for, but I guess I can look up these codes and figure it out. All right, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification thing. We're a new channel. It really helps us. Every subscriber helps us. What do we got here? Another heavy one. Probably some brake parts based on the weight again, and the fact that it says ceramic, copper free. Yeah, so rubber bushings, front pads, definitely for the Mazda 3, the front. So I'm going to say this is the rear pads for the Mazda 3, or actually vice versa. This is the rear pads for the Mazda 3. This is the front pads for the Mazda 3. But we'll see. Again, I'll have to potentially look up that number. But that's good. So we're tripled up. We got vents. We have the sway links. We have rear brake pads, front brake pads. These are heavy, so these are going to be the discs. I mean, these have to be the discs. Look at the shape, look at the size, look at the weight. I've also opened a million brake boxes before, so I can tell you these are the brakes. All right. Yep. Brake rotor, Mazda 3. Let's open them up, see how pretty they are. So these are the rear discs. Oh yeah, looking good. Looking good. Rear discs. Like and subscribe, guys. Press the notification bell. I know it sounds dumb. I know everyone's tired of hearing it. We are a new channel. It does help us. It helps us so much. Way fatter. We see that? Way fatter than what was on there originally, which was super dangerous. So this I'm going to leave in the box, and I'm actually going to do that. And put that there, that there, that there. Cool. Onwards and upwards, guys. Let's wait to the last one. I know what this is already, just based on the shape of it. Let's see what we got here, though. We got something more wrapped. Everything comes wrapped on wrapped on wrapped. Avoid danger, suffocation, keep plastic. Oh, drive shaft carrier bearing. I think we're actually changing this today was my plan. My plan was to work on the Dodge today and change this bearing, as well as the oil cooler housing, oil cooler and filter housing. And that's it. That's the bearing that needs to be done on the drive shaft. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Cool stuff. And then we have this big giant thing. Let's see what it is. Turn this over, use it as a table. It is a aluminum engine new. It doesn't say. Oh, cool. This is what I was just talking about. This is the oil cooler and oil filter housing. So you can see oil cooler, 2 new sensors. This is the housing for the filter, and it should have a new filter inside it as well as a new cap. So that's pretty cool. It's got seals. Everything looks good. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. And then it comes with all the new gaskets for the intakes and new bolts. So that's awesome. So this I want to install today as well with this. I'll put that there. This, done. Q. Next, what do we have here? What do we have here? I feel like this is a suspension part, simply based on the weight and size, and the fact that we're out of brakes. But we'll see. We shall see. Oh, yep. Oh, yep. Cool, 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 cool. We have a control arm for a Mazda 3. Big, heavy duty ball joints in there. Everything's in there. Cool. That's cool. So, the Mazda 3 is really coming along now. I mean, who would have ever thunk that somebody would even ever fix this Mazda 3? Who would have thought? This box right here is the last one, and it is incredibly heavy. It is incredibly heavy, and we are out of brakes. And to be perfectly honest, I ordered so many parts I don't remember what I actually ordered. So let's see. What's this? Okay, what's this? Let's find out. These are both random. Oh, rear shock absorber. Okay. So this is a new set of exhausts. The rear exhaust of shocks. The rear suspension for the Mazda 3. So that's pretty cool. Let's see. Yep, there we go. New shocks. That's cool stuff. That's cool. So this Mazda 3 is really going to get redone. I mean, almost to new. New shocks. And lastly, we have this. Let's toss this away. What is this? It has, again, no discerning front, right, lower. Oh! Cool. Cool, cool, cool. This is the control arm for the Dodge, which I also wanted to do today. I was hoping. Oh, it's beefy. Big giant rod, super beefy, big tough beefy bushing, big beefy ball joint, and that's for the Dodge. So that's cool. And I actually want to install this today. And lastly, guys, we have the axle and CV boot for a Jetta VR6. So we'll cut this open. And we'll cut this open. Almost fell. And we will open the box. The Z-box opens just so. And inside, we've got the CV and axle. Looking pretty good. Cool. So, that's it. That's it. That's been the unboxing. Let's, oh, this box doesn't want to go back together, doesn't it? Let's get these on the car, you know? Let's get these installed. Let's get everything going. Let's get this car ready. Let's get these cars ready. This is 3 full repaired cars right here. All 3 of them. Fully repaired, ready to go, ready for sale. So, the faster we get these parts on the car, the better. Today, I'll get the charger done. This, and this. Tomorrow, I think I'm going to start banging out the Mazda 3 and get it done, as well as putting the brake pads on the Volkswagen Jetta, which is such a quick job that I might also do tomorrow with the Mazda 3. And these cars are ready. They're good to go. So let's see how fast we can get all this on the car. See how fast we can get the car sold. See how fast we can get the dream going. See how fast we can get the next car. See how fast Scott's lot will grow. Let's go. All right, guys. That's been the unboxing video. I'll see you next time.